how to put Cash App card on Uber Eats. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can put Cash App card on Uber Eats, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to put your Cash App card on your Uber Eats, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Uber Eats application here. And once you launch the Uber Eats app, you're going to see this type of interface. Let's say you have a Cash App card that you would like to add to your payment method. Just tap the account icon from the bottom right of the screen here. From the top again you'll find an option known as wallet, so make sure to tap on the wallet option. Over here you'll find one of the options that says add payments, so tap the add payment method option, and over here select the option called credit or debit card. Once you've done that, make sure to enter your Cash App card details as you normally would. Tap on the next option. If your Cash App card is valid, it will get successfully added as a payment method. This way you can put a Cash App card on Uber Eats. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, then feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.